Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to the stand-up. I don't even know this is stand-up. This is probably another retro. We've gone off target. Surprise. Conversation or rant about the whole thing. Well, not even a rant because it's only myself to blame. But I've been recording these videos for quite a while now. I think it's actually technically coming up to about the 6-month mark since I started the project. And I wanted to be finished a lot earlier. I'm not surprised. I'm 4 months overdue. Not on time and full. Mainly the reason why was because I got a new full-time job, and I think I probably mentioned this in a previous video, and that's taken up surprisingly a lot of my time. I'm trying to get back into it as and when I can do. What I will say on that all is Claude has just come on leaps and bounds since I first started using it, to the point now where I'm just having such a great time with it and really getting through some work. Another problem I've got as well, there's a video, it should be on the channel by the time you're watching this, which is about 20 minutes long, and I recorded it when I mucked up around with GitHub or something like that, and you know what, I can't even remember what it's about, the actual thing. And I roughly edit when it happened. I knew it was like, oh, this will make a really good video. And I have this problem, which I know about, and I'm admitting it's the world now, where if I don't do it then and move myself center, if I don't do it then and then, it's not going to happen. Basically, I need to strike when the iron's hot and that whole thing. So I didn't, and so I've had this video sat on my YouTube unlisted for like 2-3 months now. Because I need to watch it to actually see if it makes sense. I've asked someone else to watch it if they can just proof check it for me. So, because once that one gets watched, I can just upload all these little short ones. So this one, for example, here, hello. I don't even know when this is going to come out based upon like the backlog I have of shorts. But and this won't be a short now. This will be a long video. So let's just talk about a little bit about how I'm using Claude at the moment. So, game's going well. Getting really close to a demo release. It was due 3rd of November. was the alpha, was the original date. But now what I've got with Claude, I have a very good setup with Claude where it knows how I like tickets to get written up. So what we're going to do over here is in my notepad, I have got a list of some tickets here that I want Claude to write up. In fact, I've got a long list of them. So what we're going to do is we're saying to Claude that I want you to go right up the tickets into this epic, which it has access to. And remember the format I like for tickets, and they all should be stories, use story, detail/description, acceptance criteria. And then over here in Claude, you'll see, surprise, I've used up my usage for the session. I'm getting that call, but I do have a bit of a balance. I've got like £4 left over. I might end up getting through it with all this. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go fire this off. So what this does, which is quite incredible, is it will now go into the epic that you can see here on the right, and it will just start creating all the tickets for exactly what we need it to be. So this will start filling out with tickets as we go along. What I'm then doing with these tickets as they get created is searching project for title screen demo UI design. I don't know why it's doing that. Is over in Claude Code, I've then been giving it now the actual ticket URL, and again, like from some of the earlier videos when we were using Claude Code back in like September, October time, I blame myself more than Claude Code, but like I'd bang a wall against it. So I'd hit a bug and I just wouldn't know how to get past the bug, probably because I wasn't explaining it. And to be honest as well, like I don't probably know the code or understand what I'm doing. This is the epitome of vibe coding here. But we persevere and try to get through it. What I'm finding now though is that process isn't happening. We're getting through bugs a lot quicker. We're getting features delivered a lot quicker. And particularly as well, where I'm giving it ticket URLs or giving it just a straight up OTIF 3865 or 389 or whatever ticket ID we're on, and he's just going in, updating it, moving the ticket along, leaving a commentary on it, etc. I mean, I'm still getting it to, I'm still managing sort of my branches at the moment because it does that, and I just don't like it doing it. I like to manage and do the commits myself. So yeah, the process is going really quite well at the moment. So we can see here, I'm going to start creating the tickets. I'll work from set systematically. Let me fire them off. Let's see if we've got any tickets coming in there. Oh yeah, look, here we are. So it started creating in the tickets. Replace settings, article content with an appropriate in-game documentation. The current citizens article help text not appropriate for the game context. Needs to post with content matches the tone style of OTIF. So yeah, we are starting to get the tickets through. So once I get this huge list of this epic, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start working with Claude Code just to get these firing off. Some of these need design, some of these need some stuff to do. But yeah, look, otherwise the project's going well, like most things are. I'm really hoping trying to get a demo out as soon as possible. And I hope you guys enjoy it. So look, thank you very much for watching as ever. I hope you're all doing well. Shall we have a quick look at the game? Let's have a quick look at the game. Let's have a quick look before we go, just to go sit. We'll load up our candle shop screen. Oh yeah, because sorry, the big thing, I don't know if it's going to come through. I'm not sure. Have I got desktop audio set up? I have. Let's see if it works. No, you're not picking it up. It's not picking it up. Audio input capture. Hold on. We're live editing now. We're live editing this. This is so thrilling. I hope you're all enjoying it. I've got sound. I've put background noises into the game. I've got sound effects and everything. Let's just play the game through. But yes, we have sound. Is that coming through? Oh, it is. Yay! So yeah, that's the game. Anyway, guys, as ever, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.